Is your Instagram upload frozen like a digital ice age, preventing you from sharing your awesome content with the world? Let's dive into how to unstick those pesky uploads. Starting with a simple 4-stop, head to your phone's settings, then find Apps or Application Manager. Scroll through the list until you see Instagram and tap on it. You should see a 4-stop button. Tap it. This closes the app completely, hopefully breaking the upload deadlock. Now try uploading again. If it still gets stuck, move on to the next step. Time to clear the cache. Back in your phone's settings, go back to the Instagram app info screen, then find the storage or memory option. Tap clear cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing the issue. Don't worry, it won't delete your photos or anything important. A weak or unstable internet connection can also be the culprit. Make sure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi network, or try switching to mobile data if your Wi-Fi is unreliable. As a last resort, try reinstalling the app. Delete Instagram from your phone and then head to your app store to download it again. This ensures you have the latest version and a fresh installation. With these tips, you should be able to conquer those stuck uploads and get back to sharing your amazing content. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips.